Hey, good morning friends, this is Abhishek from TechVirus, and in this video I'll be showing you the unboxing and review of SBS A355 speaker. I have purchased this speaker from snapdeal.com and they have done a good job in delivering this product on time, and packaging was also good. So let me show you the specification of this speaker. Okay, so it's the side. Let me zoom this video. You can see the subwoofer power is 11 watt RMS and SNR is 75 decibels. It has 3.5 mm stereo analog jack with this speaker, and you can see it has one subwoofer and two satellite speakers. Now let me quickly open this box and show you what all things comes inside. Okay, so first of all we have warranty card, manual and few more documents. Let me take out the speakers. So this is the first satellite speaker. I'll keep it here. And then the second one. Alright, now we have everything out of the box. We have the manuals, we have two satellite speakers, and then subwoofer. Let me remove the plastic. Okay, and then let me show you how beautiful these speakers look. They have entirely changed the design of the satellite speakers. As in A335, it was covered with a cotton net. Now we don't have any cotton cover here, and these speakers look really good. They have nice glossy effect. Okay, so let me show you the back panel of the subwoofer. We have the bass control knob, so you can easily control the bass, and then we have two input where we have to put in the left and right speaker. Okay, and then the power socket. This power socket is like built-in. We cannot remove the power socket from this. Let me show you the bottom of this subwoofer. This is actually down-firing subwoofer, so the sound will be coming out of the bottom. So this is good style like in JBL speakers. They have also designed in the same fashion like down-firing woofers, and it actually helps in giving good sound output. Now let me remove these plastics and connect it to one of my laptops. So I'll be using Macbook Air to test the sound. How is the sound performance? Alright, so now I have connected my MacBook Air with 3.5 mm jack and these two speakers. Let me show you how sounds comes in. Very fantastic. After listening to this music from these speakers, I can definitely say that these two speakers are really good. They have very clear voice and bass quality is also good. So this was my quick review for this speaker, and I hope you liked my video, and if you like, do subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.